Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my friends. First of all, let me introduce myself. Then my name is Ari Akbar Rumaizi and I'm from Islamic Education IAIN Syekh Abdurrahman Siddiq Bangka Belitung. Di video kali ini saya akan menjelaskan tentang tenses. Tenses adalah sebuah kategori tata bahasa yang menekankan pada penggunaan kata kerja atau verb yang dikaitkan dengan waktu penggunaannya. Dengan kata lain, tenses adalah perbedaan bentuk kata kerja untuk menyatakan perbedaan waktu dan durasi suatu perbuatan atau kejadian. Tenses sendiri terbagi menjadi 16. Yang pertama, present tense. Present tense adalah digunakan untuk menunjukkan fakta, kebiasaan, dan keadaan pada saat ini. Rumus present tense: positif subjek plus verb 1 s atau is plus objek. Yang negatif subjek plus do atau does plus not plus verb 1 plus objek. Interrogatif do atau does plus subjek plus verb 1 plus objek. Contoh kalimat positif: Sheila opens the window. Negatif: Sheila does not open the window. Interrogatif: Does Sheila open the window? Yang kedua, present continuous tense. Digunakan untuk membicarakan aksi yang sedang berlangsung. Rumusnya: yang positif subjek plus to be plus verb ing plus objek. Negatif subjek plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus objek. Interrogatif to be plus subjek plus verb ing plus objek. Contoh present continuous tense. Positif: They are playing basketball now. Negatif: They are playing not basketball now. Interrogatif: Are they playing basketball now? Lanjut yang ketiga, present perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi atau kejadian yang sudah selesai dan menekankan pada hasilnya. Rumus present perfect tense. Positif subjek plus have atau has plus verb 3 plus objek. Negatif subjek plus have atau has plus not plus verb 3 plus objek. Interrogatif have atau has plus subjek plus verb 3 plus objek. Contoh dari present perfect tense. Kalimat positif: I have finished my homework. Negatif: I have not finished my homework. Interrogatif: Have you finished my homework? Lanjut yang keempat, present perfect continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian di masa lampau. Rumusnya: positif subjek plus have atau has plus been plus verb ing plus objek. Negatif subjek plus have atau has plus not plus being plus verb ing plus objek. Interrogatif have atau has plus subjek plus been plus verb ing plus objek. Contoh present perfect continuous tense. Positif: We have been painting this wall since 3 hours ago. We have been painting not wall since 3 hours ago. Interrogative: Have we been painting wall since 3 hours ago? Lanjut yang kelima, past tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan kejadian yang sering terjadi pada masa lampau. Rumusnya: positif subjek plus verb 2 plus objek. Negatif subjek plus did plus not plus verb 1 plus objek. Interrogatif did plus verb 1 plus objek. Contoh kalimat past tense. Positif: He swam in the river last week. Negatif: He did not swim the river last week. Interrogative. Did he swim in the river last week? Lanjut yang keenam, past continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi sebelum waktu tertentu di masa lampau dan lebih menekankan hasil daripada durasi waktu kejadiannya. Rumusnya, positif, subject plus to be plus verb ing plus object. Negatif, subject plus to be plus not plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative, to be plus subject plus verb ing plus object. Contoh kalimat past continuous tense. Positif, they were playing tennis yesterday. Negatif, they were not playing tennis yesterday. Interrogative, were they playing tennis yesterday? Next, yang ketujuh, past perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi atau suatu kejadian pada masa lampau. Rumus past perfect tense. Positif, subject plus have atau has plus verb 3 plus object. Negatif, subject plus have atau has plus not plus object. Interrogative, have atau has plus subject plus verb 3 plus object. Contoh kalimat past perfect tense. Positif, you had come to my party last night. Negatif, you had not come to my party last night. Interrogative, had you come to party last night? Lanjut, yang kedelapan, past perfect continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi atau kejadian yang terjadi di suatu waktu tertentu di masa yang akan datang. Rumus past perfect continuous tense. Positif, subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negatif, subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Contoh kalimat past perfect continuous tense. Positif, he had been writing a letter. Negatif, he had not been writing a letter. Interrogative, had we been writing a letter? Lanjut, yang kesembilan, future tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang akan berakhir di masa depan. Rumusnya, positif, subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Negatif, subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative, will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Contoh kalimat future tense. Positif, we will go to museum tomorrow. Negatif, we will not go to museum tomorrow. Interrogative, we will go to museum tomorrow. Next, yang ke-10, future continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan terus terjadi di masa depan yang menekankan pada hasil. Rumus future continuous tense. Positif, subject plus will plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negatif, subject plus will plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative, will plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Contoh future continuous tense. Positif, the plane will be taken off this afternoon. Negatif, the plane will not be taken off this afternoon. Interrogative, Will the plane be taken off this afternoon? Lanjut yang ke-11. Future perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang akan dilakukan di masa lalu, namun gagal. Rumus future perfect tense. Positif. Subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Negatif. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Contoh kalimat future perfect tense. Positif. John will have been a doctor next year. Negatif. John will not have been a doctor next year. Interrogative. Will John have been a doctor next year? Lanjut yang ke-12. Future perfect continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi atau kejadian yang akan dilakukan di masa lampau dan akan berlangsung di waktu tertentu di masa lampau. Rumus future perfect continuous tense. Positif. Subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negatif. Subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Contoh kalimat future perfect continuous tense. Positif. She will have been attending English class for years. Negatif. She will not have been attending English class for years. Interrogative. Will she have been attending English class for years? Lanjut ke-13. Past future tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan dilakukan di masa lampau namun ternyata gagal dilakukan. Rumus past future tense. Positif. Subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Negatif. Subject plus will plus not plus verb 1 plus object. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Contoh kalimat past future tense. Positif. Randy will give me his money. Negatif. Randy will not give me his money. Interrogative. Will Randy give me his money? Next. Yang ke-14. Past future continuous tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang akan dan masih sedang dilakukan di masa lampau namun sebenarnya tidak terjadi. Rumus past future continuous tense. Positif. Subject plus will plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negatif. Subject plus will plus not plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogative. Will plus subject plus been plus verb ing plus object. Contoh kalimat past future continuous tense. Positif. We will be take maths class at 9 yesterday. Negative. We will not be take maths class at 9 yesterday. Interrogative. Will be take maths class at 9 yesterday. Oke, lanjut. 15. Past future perfect tense. Digunakan untuk menunjukkan aksi yang dimulai pada masa lampau dan terus berlanjut sampai saat ini. Rumusnya positif. Subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Negatif. subject plus will plus not plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Interrogative, will plus subject plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Contoh kalimat past future perfect tense. Positive, you will have met here in the party yesterday. Negative, you will not have me here in the party yesterday. Interrogative, will you have me here in the party yesterday? Dan yang terakhir, 16. Past perfect continuous tense digunakan untuk menunjukkan suatu aksi yang terjadi di masa lalu dan sudah selesai pada waktu tertentu di masa lalu juga. Rumusnya, positif, subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Negatif, subject plus will plus not plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Interrogatif, will plus subject plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Contoh kalimat past perfect continuous tense. Positif, he will have been teaching English there for 2 years. Negative, he will not have been teaching English there for 2 years. Interrogative, will he have been teaching English there for 2 years? Sekian, terima kasih. Apabila terdapat kesalahan berasal dari diri saya, selebihnya saya mohon maaf. Pada Allah saya mohon ampun. Saya akhiri wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.